Check out our awesome time well spent in Baby Beach in Maui, Hawaii. If you are looking for a calm beach with crystal clear waters, then this is the place to go. Before we get started, please do hit that subscribe and like button and the notification bell as well. Check it out. It's a cool spot. I think this was about our third day in Maui. Make sure to check out our Maui, Hawaii travel vlog video on the description below. That's the temple in the back. Finally made it to the beach, and now we're trying to find a spot. We came here early morning just to chill and kick it. Little did I know that this was going to be my favorite part of our trip. Where we just chill. Pretty calm waters. I mean, can you really blame me? Look at these crystal clear waters. Baby Beach is the best Maui beach for kids. And maybe for me too. Haha! Clear water. I really can't get enough of this place. Now I want to go back. Kayla and I just enjoying the calm waters of Baby Beach.
The rocks are very pretty.
People surfing there. The waves.
And it's super shallow.
And it's cool. It's clear.
Super clear. If you have been to Fiji, it might be clear like this.
Yeah? Something like this? That's super cool.
Now it's time to explore under the sea.
Check this out. Found a baby turtle.
And look what I found. A sleeping turtle. Kawabunga, dudes.
Shh,
be quiet. We don't want to wake them up. And here's more turtle action. Well, not really. No action.
Damn. What's up, boy? This is hilarious. They're sleeping. Okay. Yeah, check this out. Check this out. There's a big turtle right here.
Okay, this turtle is awake now from his nap.
It's a ginormous turtle. That is crazy. Yeah, good fight at Baby Beach.
I spent a good time here following this turtle.
Super big, ginormous turtle.
Some people say it isn't a great place to snorkel because it's shallow, so be careful of the coral shallow heads.
Sleeping.
But then you really can't beat the calm waters of Baby Beach. Just look at that background.
Check it out. Look at this water.
Now just lounging and enjoying it to the max. After chilling like a villain, or should I say, chilling like a Hawaiian, it's time to go back to snorkel. And guess what? These turtles are now hungry. Not one, but two turtles. This might be Leonardo and Donatello. Just as a reminder, these green turtles, otherwise known as honus, are protected by state and federal law, so make sure you keep a good distance. Just try to be careful following those turtles because the corals makes it even more shallower. I told the wifey and she went with me to see these turtles.
Turtles.
Big, huge.
Ginormous dinosaur turtles. That's pretty big. We'll see you at Napili Bay. We grab lunch first. Baby Beach is worth it.
Now that we've seen what's underneath the sea, let's go get some drone shots in. Enjoy and make sure you leave a comment if you do have any questions for us. Just seeing those waves come in from afar, I recommend that you get there early morning. One thing I want to let you know is that there are no public restrooms here, and that's why we only stayed for a few hours. For me, those few hours are the best part of our trip. And we want to tell you about the parking situation. You can park along Front Street if you arrive early enough. These next drone shots are a great capture. Check it out! Look at all those corals. Capturing Maui, which is the second largest Hawaiian island from up above. I'm gonna let you enjoy the next drone shots. That way you can envision yourself being here in Maui. Don't forget to book your travels with us and let us find you the best deals out there. You know what they say, you can't buy happiness, but you can always buy a ticket to Hawaii. So do let us know how we can help you. As always, please do support us by hitting that like button and subscribing for good luck. We'll see you on the next video. Mahalo!